Good morning children, welcome to Gautam Model School, Vanasthalipuram, class 1 children. How are you all children? Doing good? Nice. Had your breakfast? Very good. And everyone is learning the lessons like what I am teaching you. Okay, good. This is English subject children. This is your textbook class 1. What is the lesson number 2 children? What is the lesson number 2? Hoppity hop, splash, splash. Already we have learned children the animals what they do, right? So don't try to do others actions. Okay, here till yesterday we have learned lesson and even spellings also we have written children yesterday, new words. Okay, so today textual exercises we will be doing children. Okay, everyone open your textbook, this one, page number 17. Read and answer it is here. So I will be writing on the board children. Everyone ready, be ready with the pencil and eraser children. Open the textbook, page number 17, 1717. Okay, what is the date children? Today 16, 9th month. Okay, September. And here tick the correct words to complete the sentence. So here in the beginning they have given children. First one, Dippy is a, here I am writing a box like this children. Here in your textbook it is given already. Now second one, A box. Now B box I am writing here. You need to, I will take one orange. Here, Dippy is a rabbit or a duck. Here it is given children. Dippy is a rabbit or a duck. What is Dippy children? Dippy is a duck. So where is the Dippy given children? In the B. Everyone put in B tick mark. Dippy is a duck. Now Rosie is a rabbit or a duck? Dippy is a duck. Rosie is a rabbit. A. Here it is given A. In front of the rabbit a box is given children. There you put the tick mark. Okay, third one. They play near the pond or else park. Where they were playing children? Near the pond or else park. Third one. Yes children, they were playing near the pond. See here, they were playing near the pond. Where it is given? A. Pond. Now fourth one children, Dippy can hop or swim. Dippy, who is Dippy children? Dippy is a duck. So Dippy duck can hop or else swim children. Duck can swim. Right. Fourth one children, here A box and here B box children. Here Dippy can hop or else swim. Tell me what is the answer? Can hop or swim? Swim. Dippy is a duck, it can swim. Now Rosie can hop or else swim children. Who is the Rosie? Rosie rabbit. Number 5. And it is B children. Rosie rabbit can hop or else swim. Just think children. Rosie rabbit can hop. Yes. Very good. Over? Yes. See these children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and near which one you need to put a tick mark. I have kept children. Understood now? Now adding this word we have completed the sentence. Okay. Turn the page children. Yes. B bit. Now this is A bit children. B bit. Children, this is page number 18. Which page? Page number 18, B bit children. Here everyone observe the picture children, what they are doing here in this picture. Okay, let me see here. See, these children are playing in the park children, near the pond. One boy is swimming in the pond and one girl is playing here, one girl is riding a circle, Chichi, cycle, bicycle. And this boy is flying a kite and she is singing and this boy is blowing a balloon, right? So here different children, different actions they are doing, children, right? Here we are asking your own opinion, children. Here different children they are doing different, and one boy is playing with a ball. So what you can do, you tell here, children, okay? Right? Yes, I can, or no, I cannot. So here what you have to write, children? Can you sing? Can you sing? Yes. Then you tell me, children, first one. First one, children, only answer you need to pause it. So children, here B-bit, page number 18. Can you sing? If you are able to sing, you tell me. Yes, I can. So what you have to write, children, here? Yes, I can. Write everyone, children. Yes, comma, I can. Right? I can. First one. Okay? Now second one, children. Next one only, second one. Okay? Can you swim? See here the boy is swimming. Can you swim, children? No, I can't. I cannot. So if you are unable to swim, children, if you don't know the swimming, you can say no, I cannot. Okay? Write here the spelling, children. No. I can not. Here it is given, children. I cannot. Right here like this. No, I cannot. Now third one, children. Here, can you catch a ball, children? Yes. Everyone can catch a ball, right? Write the answer. Yes. Here, I can. Yes, I can. So can you catch a ball? Yes, I can. Now fourth one, children, here it is given in number 4. I am writing here itself, children, because I have place on the board. Now, can you ride a bicycle? Can you ride a bicycle? Almost everyone knows, I think so. If you are able to ride a bicycle, you write, yes, I can. Otherwise, if you don't know riding cycle, children, you can write, no, I cannot. Okay. So, here you can write, no, I cannot. But, learn, children, everyone, okay? I cannot. Put full stop, children, after completing a sentence, because they are keeping here question marks, right? Complete question mark. Here after asking a question, there is a question mark. So after completing a sentence, you need to put a full stop, children. No, I cannot. Now fifth one, children. What you can do, that only you tell me, children, okay? Now, can you dance, children? Yes, I can. Everyone like dancing, no, children? Yes or no? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Now, number 6, last one, children. Here, can you fly a kite, children? Children? With the help of your parents, you can fly, right? So, write if you can. Otherwise, if you don't know, you can write, no, I cannot. I am writing here, I cannot. But whatever you can write here, children. For example, I have written on the board. Okay. So, if any changes are there, take your own opinion and you can write with your help of parents. Okay. Now, children, here this page is over now, completed. Okay. Now, here page number 19. Page number 19. Page number 19, children, here say these words aloud. After me, everyone repeat, children. Time, children. Say these words aloud, children. Page number 19. Okay. So, here everyone, E words, children, these are. Okay. How we are pronouncing, everyone look at me. You also read after me. Okay. Get, net, pet, wet, red, bed, lead, hen, ten, peg. So, these are the E letter words, children, everyone read. Now, children, and this is the D bit, children. Write double letters to complete the words. Already they have given the pictures, children. Here we have to write correct words, children. Okay. So, first one, children, what it is given, I will be writing just for your better understanding. I am writing print letters only, children, on the board. Okay. Don't get confused. Second one, TU dash dash EL. Now, third one, children, here it is given, third one, number 3 and number 4, it is BU dash dash ER. Now, fourth one, children, PU dash dash T. So, sorry, ET, ET. Now, in the blanks, what will come? We'll see, children. See, already one is done for you, children. It is rabbit. What is this? R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. See, here it is a rabbit. See, when we are stressing the words and pronouncing right, then we are using two letters, children. Double letters. Same letter only we are using double time. Okay. So, rabbit. Right? Here B-B. It is rabbit. Now, this is the second one, children. It is tunnel. What is this? Tunnel. N-E-L. Tunnel means there is a way through the hill, children. So, this way is built through the hill, children. So, that is called tunnel. Okay, you can see sometimes like subways we can see here in the city, right now, children. When you go out like outskirts now, children, there you can see like these places. It built under a hill, children. Okay, so there is a way from this through this hill. So it is called tunnel. Okay, now third one, children. What is this? Everyone likes to apply on the bread, children. What is this? Yes. Butter, T-T-E-R, butter. So, we are stressing the word here. So, we are using 2 times 1 letter only, right? Here, fourth one, children, what is this? We are enjoying almost many times, children. What is this? This picture is, it is a puppet. Very good. So, we need to write P, puppet. Understood? So, this is puppet. Now, children, over blanks. Now, children, here E bit. Read the words. So, children, double letter words we have completed. Now, this is E bit, children. Read the words, circle the odd word in each line. So, children, how you will pronounce, children, these words? Everyone repeat after me, children. Whichever word is finding like a different, you circle that word. Okay. back, pack, duck, sack. Which one? Yes, all this a sound. This is a sound. Duck. Okay. Now here in second one, feed, seed, bead, set. Easily you can find out, children, because we are using here e sound. Here a, set, circle. Now in third one, cow, low, how, now. So which word we are pronouncing in different way, children? Low. Very good. Now fourth one, cone, bone, tone. Done, is it? No, we will pronounce it as a done, right? So we need to circle this done. Over, children. Now last bit, children, in this page, fill in the blanks, choose words from the brackets, children. My name is Dippy. You will write is or am, children. Here it is written is am. Which one you will write in this? Tell me in the blank. What you will write in first? Dippy is. I-S is. Right, everyone. Now second one, children. I am a duck. When you are reading only, you can make a proper sentence, children. I am a duck. It is am, not it. I ate a duck? No, wrong it is. So I am a duck. Am. In the bracket it is at given and am given, children. Which one you will be using? You will be writing. Put a tick mark also, it will be easy for you, children. Now, here in this bracket, children, we will be writing now. Okay. Now, next one, children. We dash like to swim. I am telling we, children, but third one, here A like to swim or else I like to swim. I. Right, everyone, here I like to swim. If you want to write print letter, you can. Okay. Print letter only you can write, children. I like to swim. It is given I or else A. Okay. Now in fourth one, children, look at Rosie. Look is, we will not say, no, children. Look at Rosie. Here it is given at or else is. So which one you will write? E. At. Look at. A-T. At. A-T. At. Now fifth one, children. What do you like to eat? What am like? It is wrong, no, children. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? So here am or else do it is written, no, children. You will be writing what do you? Do. Now last one, I want a carrot. I want an carrot? No. A carrot. A you will be writing. A or else am it is given, children. You will be writing I like a carrot. Understood, children? So these are the blanks. If you don't understand, you call me. I will explain you, children. These are the textbook page number 17, 18 and 19. Okay. Learn and complete all these pages, children. Bye, children. We will see you in next session.